In this quick guide, I show you how to easily install a plugin in WordPress so you can unlock new features for your website. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. To start, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Plugins and then add New. This will open the WordPress Plugin Directory where you can browse featured plugins or search for the one you need using the search bar. Once you find your plugin, click Install Now. WordPress will download and install it for you. When that's done, click Activate to turn it on. Remember, installing a plugin isn't enough. You need to activate it to make it work on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a plugin to your WordPress site. Just be mindful not to overload your site with too many plugins, as it can slow things down. Thanks for watching. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress guides.